My name is Alia Mahmood and I am your science teacher and I am going to teach you Science of Class 5. In lecture number 4, we are going to discuss unit number 2 of Class 5, Microorganisms, Health and Disease. Microorganism, health and disease. Previous knowledge. Food contain protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and minerals needed by the body. A balanced diet keeps us healthy. Good eating habits help the digestive system to work well. Macro means small, organism means living. Microorganism mean living thing which can be seen under microscope. Macro means big. Macroorganism means living thing which can be seen by our eyes. We want to learn that a balanced diet is necessary for good health. There are ways to preserve food to keep it free of germs. There are many ways of keeping healthy. Some diseases are caused by microorganisms. Some microorganisms are useful for us. Diseases are spread in number of ways, but we also control them. Introduction. All food contains substances which body requires. Some food are better than other because they have higher food value. Conclusion. This means that some foods contain more substances that a body can use. Limitations. Did you know that food can also be bad for you? For example, burgers and pizzas. Eating too much of one kind of food can be bad for you, that you are just eating burgers and pizzas and not taking fruits and vegetables. Eating too little of some food can also be bad for you, that you are eating wheat, meat, but not taking vegetables or taking in little amount. This is also bad for our health. In this chart, we can see two types of foods: unhealthy food and healthy food. Unhealthy food consists of burgers, donuts, soft drinks, tomato ketchup, chips, pizza, whereas healthy food contain apple, banana, celery, carrot, fish, yogurt, milk, meat. We have to take healthy foods and avoid unhealthy ones. Concept check. What do these food items contain? Unscramble the letter to find the answer. Number 1. Fish, egg, meat. These food contain proteins. They build you up without making you fat. Number 2. Bread, chapati and flour. These food contain carbohydrates, fiber and a little protein. They give you energy. Number 3. Fish, milk, apple, capsicum, pea, cucumber. These food contain vitamins, minerals and fiber. They help to keep you healthy. And please see the next slide for correct answers. Answers. First, there are the unscrambled words and then the scrambled words. First group of food was protein, then carbohydrate and vitamins. Exercise. Take your notebook and pencil. Write and draw 10 healthy foods. Write and draw 5 unhealthy foods. Read and learn page number 11 of your book.